Today I will be showing how to change out your cartridge on your ZVA 8082 skimmer. So first you want to unscrew your 3 screws into your base plate. When you pull your base plate up, be careful because there should be 3 little spacers underneath the screws. And you just pop the cartridge off. There's 4 screws in the back of this. You lay your cartridge down. And as you see, you have 2 gears in here. When replacing the tube, you want to put your left gear in first. Then you want to take the tube and wrap it around the gear. And that slides right in on the right side. And now you're going to put your unit back together. You want to set your cartridge on your motor shaft, slightly pull the tube, let it click in place, and you're fine to put your spacers back on your screws. And that's the complete process of changing the Sidewinder tube skimmer out.